are going to take a quick look at a GOMAD DFDA-4 shaper. You can always tell the machines that came out of this factory by this corrugated grind. It's a really interesting relief pattern that they use. Really well done. 1 1/4 spindle, 5 3/4 inches under the nut. This machine does have 4 speeds. It'll run at 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, and 10,000 RPM. If we go to the side of the machine, you're gonna see that someone did replace the motor with a 7.5 horsepower Balder motor. It's currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase operation. These machines are built better than an Invicta. One of the issues with Invictas is the elevation mechanism is not that great, whereas the elevation mechanism in this GOMAD is actually really smooth. I mean, you can maybe take a look. You can see I can just very easily raise and lower the spindle. It does have forward and reverse. Quiet running. It does have a working foot brake. We'll put it in reverse. Again, a really good working foot brake on this machine. You do have a universal oiling system on here. They did this to all their machines. I mean, it's really easy to lube everything up. I mean, most machines you can't even lube anything, and if you can, you have to find the fittings. Up here, it's just all up front. This machine does have a tenoning table. It's pretty heavy duty. You can also move it over as well. It does have a hold down. This hold down will also angle. So if you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.